Good morning, children. Now this is 6th class social studies, 6th lesson, early civilizations. Actually, in the world, we can find 4 early civilizations. The first one is Indus Valley civilization. Second one is Egypt civilization. Third one is Mesopotamian civilization. Fourth one is China civilization. What is that? China civilization. Mesopotamian civilization means Iraq civilization. Okay. Egypt civilization means we know already it is located in Africa continent. China Indus civilization locates in Asia continent. Even Mesopotamia civilization also flourished in Asia continent. Okay, children. But what about Indus Valley civilization? So in that lesson we discussed in the previous class we discussed about Indus Valley civilization, how they lived, how they constructed houses, buildings, okay, how they rearing crops, okay, animal husbandry, etc. So what about their jewelry? What kind of jewelry they used? Okay, next one, the archaeologists found in our country and Pakistan some places. For example, what is that? Great Bath. It was found in Mohenjo-daro. What is that? Mohenjo-daro. So Harappa and Mohenjo-daro were the places who lived the Indus Valley civilization in our country and also some part of Pakistan area. Now children, early civilization evidence we have here, I wrote here as both chart. Indus civilization. It is our India. Okay. So in the Indus civilization flourished between the years 2500 BC to 1700 BC. What is that? 2500 BC to 1700 BC. So that is the period of Indus Valley civilization flourished in our country around our India, and that means North India and some part of Pakistan. Next one here we means here archaeologists found Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. These are the sites they lived, but now these sites remain. That means the Indus Valley civilization people remains. We can found here Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath also found in here Mohenjo-daro. Next other sites also there, many sites also there. At the time of Britishers, when they laid railway track, they found some kinds of bricks. So after the archaeologists found these bricks belongs to Indus Valley civilization. Okay, children. Now this is next one. Advent of Aryans. So when Aryan people came to our country between 1500 to 500 BC, the Aryan people came and they invaded our country people and they settled here. Okay, children. These people developed. Next one here, early Vedic age. Here early Vedic age period between 1500 to 1000 BC. 1500 to 1000 BC. Later Vedic period 1000 BC to 600 BC. So this is the later Vedic period. Children, yesterday, that means in the previous class I said about the Vedic civilization. So early Vedic people, they chose one chief. That chief was Rajan. The kingship is not hereditary. The people have right to choose any profession in the society. There were no caste barriers. Okay, children, there was no sati system and child marriage system at the time of early Vedic civilization. That means between 1500 to 1000 BC in India. But later Vedic civilization, that means later Vedic is here 1000 BC to 600 BC. So here the king occupied prominent place in the kingdom. The king wasted all powers in the country. So he has the power to choose any activity. No man will oppose against the king order. Okay, children. Next to caste system also developed in this age. Sati system also developed. Even child marriage. King choose many. King got many wives. That means king have many wives. Are you understood, boys? Girls. Now this is the period 1000 to 600 BC. Okay. Now next one. What are the sources of this civilization? Here literacy. It is one of the evidence. Next one, archaeological evidence. In the literacy we have 4 Vedas. What are the 4 Vedas? We discussed already. Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Adharvana Veda. What are that? Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Adharvana Veda. So these are the 4 Vedas. When we read these all Vedas, then we can find how the people lived in those days, what customs they followed, what traditions they followed, and how the nature of the people, etc. we can understood. We will understood. Next one. Now apart from 4 Vedas, we have Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and Upanishads. What are that? Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and Upanishad. So these are the literacy evidence. If you go through this literacy, we can find about the people of Indus Valley civilization, Vedic period and later Vedic period people. Next one, epics. So we have 2 epics. What are the 2 epics? Ramayana and Mahabharata. Ramayana, Mahabharata. So in Ramayana we know Rama is the chief one or leader. So he has one wife. Her name is Sita. He has one brother. His name is Lakshmana. He has 2 children. Okay, Lava and Kusha. He obeyed his father's commandment and he went to the wilderness. He spent there along with his wife 14 years. Again he returned to his kingdom. Okay, children. So this is about Ramayana. When we go through Ramayana, we can find about how people followed principles, customs, traditions, and how they obeyed their parents, etc. Next one is Mahabharata. We know Mahabharata. Krishna is the important leader. Pandavas, 5 Pandavas are there, 100 Kauravas are there. So in this, Dharma got victory over Adharma. So that is the main theme in this Mahabharata. Okay. Now we know Arjuna. So Krishna told Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Okay. Before fighting with his enemy. Are you understood, children? So that is about describing in Mahabharata. So totally, when you go through Mahabharata, what you can understand? Dharma got victory over Adharma. So that is the main theme. In Ramayana, what we can understand, if you read that Ramayana, the children must obey their parents. Okay, children? So that is the evidence of epics and Vedas. Next one, archaeological evidence here, iron and pottery. So when the archaeologists excavated at the places of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, they found so many tools and weapons, even jewelry also. So that people, they wear necklace, nose studs, earrings, bangles, anklets, etc. Okay, children? They made of gold, that jewelry made of gold, silver, etc. Next, they worshipped some gods, fire, Agni, that means Agni, Vayu, okay, water, Shiva, Lakshmi, Parvati, etc. Brahma, Vishnu. Okay, so these are the gods of on those days people. Okay, children. Even today also some Hindus are following or worshipping these same gods, which are worshipped by the ancient people of Indus Valley civilization. Okay. For example, Vishnu, okay, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Brahma we know, Vishnu we know, Maheshwara means Shiva. Okay, even today also many temples are there. People are going and worshipping. So that is about the evidence. First one is literacy evidence. These literacy evidence are two types: Vedas and epics. After, apart from Vedas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas and Upanishads. Next here archaeological evidence, iron and pottery. So when we excavated, when the archaeologists found weapons and tools, then we can understand how they used these weapons and tools, how they constructed houses, how they prepared bricks and dried the bricks, okay, for the use of construction in house and buildings, etc. Even they maintain drainage system also from houses, domestic purpose houses. What is the wastage water? They set up pipelines, okay. Through these pipelines, the drainage system is also very well on those days, etc. Okay, children, now this is the early civilizations. Okay, now I want to show you some pictures about this lesson. Once you look at this lesson, you go. Now, children, look at this. You come to the page number 63 in this lesson. Now look at once here. So Shiva. So they worshipped Shiva as their god. Next you turn the page. Here, remains of the Indus Valley town. Look at, this is the remains of Indus Valley town. Next, children, the great bath of the Indus Valley civilization at Mohenjo-daro. So this is the Mohenjo-daro great bath. Once look at this one, how they constructed. Now this is the drainage system in the Indus Valley civilization. Look how they constructed neatly. Now come to this picture. Houses in the Indus Valley. Look, these all are houses. Okay, children, how they neatly constructed the houses we can see here, and we can understood. Children, now look at, this is the social life of the Indus Valley civilization. Now look at the toys, bullock cart. Children used to play with these toys. The king of the priest, look the beard man here. Next here, dancing girl. Next, children, go to the next page 68. Pashupati. They worshipped Pashupati as their god. Okay. Lothal is there, port near Arabia Sea. Now you can find in Gujarat at present. Next, this is the scripture they developed, but the archaeologists, they did not understand this language so far. Next, weighing tools. Look at these weighing tools. Next, children, look at bronze axe, ornaments of gold and silver. Look at necklace, nose rings, banana, bangles, nose studs, earrings. Next, bronze spearhead. Look at, this is the weapon. Earthen pots, which are made by earth. Clay seal. This is the clay seal. Copper vessels. Look, the copper vessels. These are the copper vessels, children. Next, children, go to the next page. I said already, I wrote on the blackboard the sources of literacy and archaeological evidence. Vedas, epics. Vedas are four. Apart from Vedas, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, Upanishads also there. So this is Ramayana, this is Mahabharata, we know already. Okay, children. Now look at charming Vedas picture. The disabled sat around his guru at Gurukulas, etc. Children. Okay, children. Thank you.